Hello everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of Updating. Today I will be showing you how to connect your PlayStation 2 or any AVI console for that matter to a HD60S Elgato capture card. So, first things first, the things you'll need: a PlayStation 2 or AVI, whatever. But for this video we'll go for a PlayStation 2. You will need the HD60S capture card, or the HD60 would work well as well. An AVI to HDMI converter. Make sure it is AVI to HDMI, because they do HDMI to AVI. They do the other way around. Make sure you get the correct one. 2 HDMI cables and the 3.0 USB cable that came with the capture card. You will obviously need your PC. First, connect your AVI to the PS2. Standard. You'll then need to plug the AVI plugs into the converter, matching the colours to the ports, of course. Plug one end of one of your HDMI cables into the other end of the converter. There is a slot available, and then make sure your converter is plugged into either an electrical socket or a PC is preferable, as to not overload the converter itself. If you don't do this, nothing will happen. The converter can be used for 720p or 1080p. Now that the converter is set up, plug the other end of the HDMI cable that is attached to the converter into the in port of the capture card. Then, using your second HDMI cable, plug that into the out port and connect that to your PC. Finally, make sure your USB cable is plugged into the PC, obviously to power the capture card itself. Open OBS or Elgato or whatever software you have, and you should be able to see your PS2 on screen just like any other game console. Quick side note, if you don't have a capture card, there is screen recording software you can get from the Microsoft Store. You just got to set it up in the exact same way, just without the capture card. You just set the converter up and plug the other end of the HDMI into the PC directly. The quality won't be as good, of course, but this does work as well. You can get DP to HDMI converters online, but again, the quality won't be as good, and there's no guarantee this will work either, as it might interrupt the signal. But that's it, done and dusted. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you all next time.